Are you looking for delicious and refreshing summer salad recipes to beat the heat? Look no further. Here are some mouth-watering ideas to keep you cool during the hot summer months. First up, we have a watermelon feta salad. Simply combine juicy watermelon cubes with tangy feta cheese, fresh mint leaves, and a drizzle of balsamic glaze for a sweet and savory flavor explosion. Next, try our citrus avocado salad. Mix together slices of ripe avocado, segments of juicy citrus fruits, crunchy pistachios, and a zesty dressing for a light and healthy dish that will satisfy your cravings. For a more substantial option, whip up a Mediterranean quinoa salad. Toss fluffy quinoa with cherry tomatoes, cucumber, red onion, olives, feta cheese, and a lemon herb dressing for a protein-packed meal that is perfect for lunch or dinner. So there you have it, 3 fresh and light summer salad recipes to keep you cool and satisfied all season long. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tasty recipes.